Hello everyone, welcome once again. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make carrot oil for skin brightening and hair growth. First, we start by washing the carrot to make them clean. Then we'll be scraping the outer layer to remove every form of dirt from it. Also in this video, I'll be sharing with you some tips on how to use carrot oil for skin brightening and hair growth. Please note that it's so important to remove every form of dirt from the carrot before using it for carrot oil. And as you can see from the video, I'm just scraping the carrot gently to remove every form of dirt from it. So after scraping all the carrots, I'll be rinsing them once again to make sure they are very clean. And here are some tips on how to use carrot oil for skin care and hair growth. First, let's talk about how to use carrot oil for skin brightening. Apply carrot oil to a clean skin morning or before going to bed. This can help to tone the skin and provide a natural glow. Carrot oil can also help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Add a few drops of it to your regular moisturizer or use it directly. This helps to repair the skin, rejuvenate and moisturize the skin. Now that our carrot is made clean, we go ahead to grate with a kitchen grater. As we are grating our carrot, let me share with you some tips on how to use carrot oil for effective hair growth. For hair treatment, apply a few drops of carrot oil into your scalp. Leave it for at least 30 minutes, then shampoo and rinse. This can help improve scalp health and promote hair growth. And after grating the carrot, I'll be spreading them out on a tray. Take to the sunlight for them to be dried. And also for hair conditioning, add a few drops of carrot oil to your hair. Massage the hair very well with your fingertip. Then cover with a shower cap. Allow to rest for between 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then rinse with a lukewarm water. This can add shine and moisturizer to your hair. After sun drying the carrot, here we have our dried carrot. So I'll go ahead and transfer them into a clean container. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as I have more great videos for you. And to my amazing returning subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for always being there. I appreciate you. God bless you. And after transferring the dried carrot to a clean container, I'll be adding 1 cup of olive oil to it as my carrier oil. Please feel free to use any carrier oil of your choice for making carrot oil, but make sure the oil covers the top of the carrot. So after adding the carrier oil to it, I'll press down with a spatula to submerge the carrot beneath the oil. As you can see from the video, the oil is above the carrot. I'll then cover and allow it to rest for about 7 days. And this is the 7th day. I'll be bringing it out to conclude the process of making our carrot oil. So to do this, I'll go ahead and filter the oil from the carrot. So I'll spread my cheesecloth over a sieve that I've placed on a bowl. Then transfer it to the cheesecloth. And after transferring it to a cheesecloth, I'll wrap the cheesecloth together. Squeeze gently to release the oil from the carrot. After squeezing out the oil from it, here we have our carrot oil for that skin brightening and hair growth. Next is to transfer into an airtight container. Carrot oil is also suitable for culinary use. It can be added to soup, used for salad dressing, and also drizzled over cooked vegetable for added flavor and nutritional benefits. Please, if you find this very helpful, don't forget to click on the like button, comment and share this with your loved ones. Thanks so much for watching.